Who wants some kulfi? Today I'm giving away chai Biscoff kulfi.
Out of 10, what would you rate it?
9.75.
9.75.
Gully Kulfi is starting small, but the plan is to have this in every grocery store around you or even a pop-up. You guys let me know what you want to see. This was my first time handing out my kulfis and it was a blast. This was totally last minute because it was going to rain today, but luckily the sun came out. I also had my kulfis made, so I got on my kulfi bike and I headed down to the streets. Shout out to everyone who recognized me and showed me some love. I really do appreciate it. Kulfi is basically like ice cream and it's a very popular frozen dessert in Pakistan. You know, Saturdays are my cheat days and today I completely sold out. So if you want to try chai Biscoff kulfi at home, here's how you can make it. In a saucepan, add whole milk, a masala chai mix, and black tea. Bring this up to a boil and then let it simmer for at least 5 minutes. Then you can strain it and add it back into the pot along with heavy cream, milk powder, sweetened condensed milk, and Biscoff spread. It should be kind of thick. Now pour it into any mold you wish and freeze it for at least 8 hours. Enjoy.